guys, my breakfast guys. Look, I put some chilies. I didn't use the original spice. I make my own spices. I put my sardines. I just use the noodles guys. So yummy. Because I don't like the spice. Different taste. This one is Philippine taste. Put some chili and then onions and then lemon. I use the noodle only, not the sauce. I make my own sauce. Nah. Happy eating.